This is Elliot here at Dodge Trucks with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date with our videos and inventory, go ahead and like and subscribe. This is going to be a 2006 Ford F-450 Super Duty. It's got a 14-foot box on it with a 3-foot attic. This truck does have a ramp as well. Go ahead and fire this thing up. As you can see, no lights on the dash. AC is working great. This truck's got a 6.8 liter V10 Ford Triton engine. Everything's been thoroughly inspected. New filters and fluids. This truck does have dualies on the rear. And again, this is a 14-foot box with the ramp. And it's got the additional 3-foot attic space over the cab. So there you have it. 2006 Ford F-450 Super Duty. Our address and phone number are in the description, as well as our website if you look at the rest of our inventory. Thanks for watching.